So, you have been, past tense, crucified with Jesus. You have been raised with Jesus. You have ascended to heaven with Jesus. You are seated with Jesus by faith in the heavenlies. Read Romans chapter 6. Read Ephesians chapter 1 and 2, especially chapter 2. And then there's the present tense of you continually dying to sin every day. And you continually being raised to life every day. That's sanctification. You're experiencing death and life every day in Jesus. And then there's the future, when you will be glorified with Jesus, and so the old you will really die. The sinful you will really be gone, 100% gone, no more, dead. And you will be raised to a new glorified life forever and ever. So the more of the dying to self we experience every day, the more of Jesus's resurrection life, power and energy we experience every day. That happens through communion with God. This is now Acts chapter 2, verse 41, 42 to 47. There's downward, upward, inward, outward. This is church-centric. You cannot live the Christian life without the church. You need the church. There's no Christian life without the church. You are in union with Jesus by faith, who is a person. And in union with Jesus by faith, you are a child of God and a temple of the Holy Spirit, surrounded by angels, protected by angels. And your union with the Trinity in Jesus, and you're being a child of God, means that you're a member of God's family, and you're not the only child of God. There are other children of God.